How to find HostGator coupon code. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to find HostGator coupon code. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. HostGator is the most affordable way of hosting a website for small businesses, especially if it is your first time launching your page online. It allows you to make your online presence without too much hassle on server configuration. As your hosting provider, HostGator will manage your shared server. So now, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for couponcodin.com/store/HostGator. Now, scroll through in the interface that you will be led to and search for the offer that suits your preference the best and tap on the Get Code button. I will tap on this particular option. You will then be shown with the code, so go ahead and copy the code and paste it further in HostGator official website during your checkout, and as you can see, I can now get up to 76% off in HostGator. So, this is how you can find HostGator coupon code. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Login Guides for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.